Power, Why Some People Have It and Others Don't by Robert Greene is a book that explores the nature of power and how it can be acquired, maintained, and used effectively. Greene argues that power is a fundamental aspect of human relationships and that it is essential for success in any field. He identifies various types of power, including social intelligence, strategic thinking, and self-presentation, and provides examples of historical and contemporary figures who have successfully wielded these forms of power. The book also emphasizes the importance of understanding and navigating power dynamics, as well as recognizing and countering attempts by others to undermine one's own power. Throughout the book, Greene provides practical advice and strategies for building and using power, such as cultivating a powerful persona, networking effectively, and developing a keen sense of self-awareness. Overall, Power is a comprehensive guide to understanding the nature of power and how it can be leveraged for personal and professional success.